Hello friends, welcome to first video of our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to install and configure XAMPP, a PHP development environment tool. So let's start quickly. Firstly, to download XAMPP on your computer, go to browser and type XAMPP download here. Go to the first URL that you have seen, that is apachefriends.org. I will share this link on the description here. Their PHP versions are available, that is 7.3, 7.4 and 8.0. You can choose and download any of these. I will go with the latest PHP 8.0. Click on this download button. After downloading, here in downloads folder it will show that is XAMPP Windows 64-bit. Double click on it. Click on the next button. Check this list once before you are going to install. Make sure that mysql and the PHP is selected. Click on the next. Here this is the default XAMPP installation folder, that is C XAMPP. You can change it, but I will go with this default folder. Click on the next. Select the appropriate language. I will going with English. Click on next. Setup. This will just install the XAMPP now. You have to go with next. This will take some time for the installation and unpacking these files. After the installation is complete, click on the finish button. Then the XAMPP will automatically start up. You see Apache and MySQL here. Click on the start button for both. If it is showing error in starting the Apache, please make sure that this 80 port number is free. To change this 80 port number, you just have to configure this file. Just search for port number. Here you have to just change the line this port to some other port that is available. I will go with this port number 80 only. To make sure that XAMPP is successfully installed or not, go to your browser. And type localhost. Then this XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB and PHP Perl are installed in this your XAMPP server. To access MySQL files, you have to just type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Then this screen comes up. In this way, we have successfully installed the XAMPP on Windows. For detailed step-by-step process, please check the given description link below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. Thank you.